How to write 4.375 as a mixed number in simplest form. So look, this is a decimal number. Would like to convert this decimal number to this mixed number. Mixed number will have a whole number part and then fraction p by q. So rewrite this 4 plus. Now we need to convert the whole number part is here 4. Before decimal we get whole number part, after decimal we get fractional part. So convert this to this form. We need numerator and denominator. For numerator, just keep the decimal, write the number you are getting. For denominator, for every digit you have to consider 10. 10 times 10 times 10. 3 digits you have write 310. Now we need to simplify this fraction. To simplify this fraction in one step, you need to divide numerator and denominator by the greatest common factor. But if you want to uh, simplify this fraction in multiple steps, then you need to divide numerator denominator by the common factor. This is divisible by 5, this is divisible by 5. So 5 is the common factor. This is divisible by 5 because the last digit is 5. This is divisible by 5 because the last digit is 0. So if I divide, then I will get 2 and I will get here 5 goes into 37, 7 times 7 times 5, 35, 2, 25 means 5 goes into 25 5 times. Again, this is divisible by 5, this is divisible by 5. I'll get 2 here and I will get what? 5 goes into 7 1 times, then subtract 2, 15. Again, this is divisible by 5, I will get 3. This is divisible by 5, I'll get 2. So basically, we are getting 4 plus 3 over 2 times 2, 4, 4 times 2, 8. Just combine. So 4 and 3, 8 is the mixed form. You can also convert this mixed number to improper fraction. So how to do that? Just multiply denominator with this whole number. 4 times 8, add this numerator, take the same denominator. So you are getting 32, 3, 8. So what is that? We are getting 35 divided by 8. And if you convert this improper fraction to mixed number, then you will get this. Actually, we write the answer in mixed fraction.